There's a massive debate online about how to get the perfect steak, and I think the sure way to do it is using a thermometer. And in my opinion, this right here is the nicest one out there on the market. The whole device is made very well, and even the kickstand has the perfect amount of resistance on its hinges. Now, back to cooking our steak. I first sear the steak on all sides, and then it's ready to get the probe inserted, and into the oven it goes. My wife likes her steak done a little bit more well than I do, so I'll be using both probes and setting them on 2 different temperatures. And now onto the device. It tracks the internal temperature as well as the ambient. But my favorite part is it actually counts how much longer you have left to cook to reach the desired temperature. As soon as it does reach your goal, it has an audible alarm to let you know it's done. And after removing it from the oven, it will start a resting timer. We all know by now that a steak is best served after resting about 5 minutes. And now that a steak has finished resting, the internal temperature has increased by about 10 degrees, which is perfect. I was shooting for around 135. And as you can see, the steak turned out just perfect. What do you guys think?